The Washington Post editorial board has a serious problem with the Supreme Court confirmation process. The Senate Judiciary Committee has failed to do its job, vetting a man for a lifetime appointment to the nation's most powerful court. Nominee Brett Kavanaugh is facing sexual assault allegations, yet Republicans have refused to call in the FBI. I wrote these editorials after consulting with the nonpartisan editorial board, and we all agree, without an FBI investigation, Kavanaugh has not been fully vetted. Dr. Christine Blasey Ford has made a credible accusation and brought up new leads that professional investigators should have followed.
I am here today not because I want to be. I am terrified. I am here because I believe it is my civic duty to tell you what happened to me while Brett Kavanaugh and I were in high school.
Judge Kavanaugh has made a strong denial.
I never had any sexual or physical encounter of any kind with Dr. Ford. I never attended a gathering like the one Dr. Ford describes in her allegation.
Even more reason to tap the FBI. Let it interview witnesses, gather evidence.
Judge,
and I called for a hearing immediately.
If there is no truth to her charges, the FBI investigation will show that. Are you afraid that they might not?
Come on.
Republicans have already cut corners on getting documents from Kavanaugh's past, and they've moved way too fast in the confirmation process. Remember, Republicans were willing to leave a Supreme Court seat open when it was President Obama's turn to pick. As things stand, one side or the other is going to be very angry about what happens to Kavanaugh. And after this messy process, many Americans will question the Senate's ability to review nominees. So how should you feel? Here's how I feel. It comes down to what standard of proof you want to apply to Supreme Court nominees. Nobody deserves to be on the bench. When you're about to throw someone in prison, the standard is innocent until proven guilty. When you're about to appoint someone for a life to the Supreme Court, the standard should be more exacting. The country can and should be picky. If I were a senator, I would be asking myself, am I willing to take the chance that Christine Blasey Ford is right? Not without an FBI investigation. I wouldn't.